So I know you've heard this before, but homeschooling your children does not have to be expensive. They have a current promotion going on where all of their curriculum that is out of stock, including math, sciences, anything that's out of stock for the first 4 weeks, they have those available for free. Welcome to Plan, Prep, Pray. Hey girlie, my name is Wendy and I am a homeschooling stay-at-home mom of 4 little ones, and on this channel I talk about all things homeschooling, kids empowerment, mommy self-care, and home management. So subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Before I get started, I just want to say this is a collaboration with my internet twin Lydia. We're literally the same person, except she is a frugal living queen.
I'm a ride or die Crayola fan. Back to school season is quickly approaching, and today I wanted to give you some tips on how to save time, how to save money, how to make the transition easier despite these weird circumstances we're all under.
I mean, we're just twins. Like, we have kids that are the same age. We've got the same like weird, quirky sense of humor, and I just love her. Like, there are people that you meet and you just connect with them. That's my girl Lydia. So definitely check out her video after this video, because I mean, who are you gonna get better tips from besides the frugal living queen? So I'll link her video down below. Before we get started on the specific subject and what you can get on a budget for that specific subject, I went ahead and I found 2 curriculums that I have personally used that are very, very affordable, which is the complete curriculum. They've got, I believe, all grades. And I personally have used the 3rd grade one, and it's really, really good. It has reading, math, spelling, language arts, writing, and test prep in here. So you can definitely start off before you go crazy looking for all the things. Just start off with something like a complete curriculum guide, and you don't necessarily have to do every single thing that's in here, but you can use it as a spine to let you know, okay, my child needs more help in this. So I'm gonna go to the library where things are free and grab some more resources to help teach him that. You know, like those different types of things. But this is about, I wanna say $15 or something like that. I'll link it down below for you, but it's very affordable and it gives you all the subjects that you could possibly need. The other very affordable curriculum that's a complete curriculum is Christian Light Education, and I've used them in the past, and the only thing with them is that it's a lot of seat work, which is why I currently don't use them. I've realized that for my child's learning style, having him sit to do a lot of seat work just doesn't work well for him, but their curriculum is so affordable. So definitely check out Christian Light Education. Specifically particular subjects, let's start off with language arts. Now, language arts, I 100% recommend reading to your children. So your best bet for free and affordable is the library card. I know you've heard it before, but it's the truth. Like, go to the library, get some books, just read to your children. That is where language is going to come from. That is where language arts is going to come in and make sense. But now if you're looking for a more budget-friendly or free curriculum, definitely check out The Good and the Beautiful. All of their curriculum is for free, level 1 through 5, and it's available as a free PDF online. They have a current promotion going on where all of their curriculum that is out of stock, including math, sciences, anything that's out of stock for the first 4 weeks, they have those available for free. So that's also a wonderful way to check out some of their resources and see if you want it. And also with The Good and the Beautiful, their curriculum honestly is less expensive if I purchase it from them than if I print it out myself. But for some people, just having the PDF, like if you have the ability to print at an affordable rate or at an affordable price. Like, I know for me, my husband is a school teacher, so he can print at work or whatever the situation is. I probably shouldn't have said that because, like, he could get in trouble for that. But yeah, so you can always print, if you can find a way to print for cheap. Definitely The Good and the Beautiful level 1 through 5 for language arts is your best bet. Grades lower than first grade, you honestly do not need a language arts curriculum, because at that point you're teaching how to read, which I will have a video coming up soon on how I teach my little ones how to read. And it's simple, it's cheap, and it's pretty much free. But yeah, so definitely check out that video when that video comes out. The other thing you can do when it comes to language arts is you can do virtual school with your public school system, and you'll be able to get that for free. So that's another option. Now, pretty much what I use for reading or teaching my child how to read, like I said, I'll have a specific video on the different steps that I use and how I utilize these different curriculums. But I use Teach Your Child to Read in 100 Easy Lessons, Alpha Phonics, flashcards, early readers, and like Bob books and things like that that you can get from the library for free. And that's it. With those different tools and things, I've taught 2 going on 3 children how to read. The other thing that I've used is like on Netflix, they've got the Letter Factory. I've used that curriculum, as well as preschool prep DVDs, which are very, very affordable. I'll link them down below as well. And they have been amazing with helping reinforce the different things, the different letter sounds and stuff like that that we're teaching. Now, when it comes to math, you have the Khan Academy, which is completely free. And that's an amazing resource online that you can use to help teach your children math. I've also used mathematical reasoning for my younger children, Kumon, and teaching textbooks online, which is an amazing online math resource. And it worked up to a certain point for my oldest one, and then I had to transition him back to Math UC. He does better with a mastery approach to math, but teaching textbook is more of a spiral approach. But so many homeschool moms rant and rave about teaching textbooks. It's an amazing math program in the sense that you don't have to teach your child. The actual program does it. It's all online. It grades it for them. So definitely check it out. It might work for your child. And I believe they offer the first couple of lessons, I want to say the first 10 lessons, for free. Now for handwriting, we use a Farmhouse Fulls curriculum, which is $27. And it's pretty much a one-room schoolhouse approach to teaching handwriting. So I stand up in front of everybody, I write the letter A and I write a number, and then I work with each one of my students or each one of my children as they work and practice with that letter. Now for different grades or different levels, I might do something different. Like for example, for my preschooler, I may write it in highlighter and then have him trace over it, while for my 4th grader, I definitely wouldn't be doing that. So that is a very cheap, affordable handwriting curriculum, and it's very practical as well. You don't have to constantly be replacing it every single year. Now, when it comes to science, science is library. Whatever your child is into, run to the library, grab some books on it, and read to your children. Even pick up science experiment books and do some of those science experiments. There's so much freedom in science. If your child is into dinosaurs, go to the library and get books on dinosaurs and reinforce that with stories about dinosaurs, and have them go to the museum and see dinosaurs. Like, science is so free. You do not need a curriculum for science at all. But if you're like me, and you freak out without a curriculum, or you used to freak out without, I don't freak out anymore, but you used to freak out without a curriculum, The Good and the Beautiful has their marine biology curriculum completely for free online. So you can always print that out and use that. All of the good and the beautiful science curriculums are incredibly affordable. They're anywhere from $22 to $32. And if you're doing the PDF, you can get some as low as $11. So definitely check out their different science curriculums to see if that will work for you. Now, if you even want to go further into science, you've got Pinterest and you've got YouTube videos too, and they're both for free. So science, like I said, is just so free. You've got so many options. History and social studies. I'm gonna say it, I'm like a broken record. The library. Read on history, dive deep into history. If they have particular questions like why did this happen, why did that happen, pick up resources from the library and dive deep into it, as well as free YouTube videos which discuss different points on history. There is so much that you can do with history that you don't necessarily need a curriculum guiding your history. But if you want a curriculum guiding your history and your social studies, geography and stuff, I have the History for Children, History Stories for Children, which I will link down below, as well as the Home Geography for Primary Grades, which is more Charlotte Mason style approach, which is exactly what I recommend for homeschooling on a budget. These are great resources, so 100% I will be linking them down below, and definitely check them out. Let me know in the comments, is there any subject that I didn't cover that you want to know where you can get it on a budget or for free? And I'll see what I can find out for you. Don't forget to check out Lydia's video. I'm sure she's going to have some great tips and you don't want to miss out. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. So I'll see you there. Okay, I'm gonna stop right there and I'm gonna just say bye.